Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy and delicious keto and Whole30 stuffed bell peppers. Welcome to Cassidy's Craveable Creations. I'm really excited to share this Whole30 bell pepper recipe with you today because even when we're not doing a Whole30, I make these year round because they're just so easy to make and delicious. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell below to be alerted every time I post a new recipe. So to start, we just need to get our bell peppers ready. And to do this, we're going to chop off the top and then take out the seeds and the veins. And we're going to place them cut side down on a baking sheet, and we're going to bake them at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And while they're baking, I'll show you how to make the filling. And as always, I'll post the link to the full recipe in the description below. For the filling, we're just going to brown some beef with an onion over about medium heat in a large skillet. Wow. And as it cooks, we'll just use a, whatever this is called, a wooden spoon, break it up. So now that the meat is browned and drained, we're just going to add some veggies. I have some chopped zucchini. And I'm going to add some, whatever these are called. I don't know why I can't think of the names of anything today. Mushrooms. And as it cooks, the veggies will soften, and I'm going to use my wooden spoon to break them up so there's not like giant chunks of veggies in the peppers. So now that the veggies are tender, we're going to add some garlic and season everything with a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's see here. Sorry, I'm just using my hands. It's kind of the way I roll with salts, but don't worry, my hands are clean. And it's just some pepper here. Once we get it all mixed and the garlic starts to become fragrant, we're going to add some Whole30 marinara sauce. I have a Whole30 marinara sauce on my blog that's super easy to make and delicious. If you want to make it homemade, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Or you can use store-bought. Either way, you can find marinara sauces that don't have added sugar or soy. I can find them at almost any Target, Walmart, or Aldi. So now just get it all stirred in. I tell you, I am just making such a mess today. And once we get it stirred in, we'll fill our bell peppers up. So now our filling is finished, and we're going to add it to the bell peppers that we roasted in the oven for about 10 minutes. It's just enough to make them soft, a little bit soft. Okay, since these are Whole30 and we won't be putting cheese on top, we need to put a little marinara on the top so the filling doesn't dry out. But obviously, if you're not on a Whole30, feel free to add some shredded mozzarella cheese. Now these are going to bake at 350 degrees for around 30 minutes. Okay, so that's it. Now you know how to make super easy and delicious Whole30 stuffed peppers. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of fresh basil on the top to add some nice color and flavor. And now all that's left is to eat them. Yeah, it's really good and flavorful, and I love the bell peppers because they're soft, but they still have a little bit of crunch to them. It's delicious. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to see more recipes like this. I'm going to redo that part. Okay. And be sure to subscribe and hit that Things are going overboard over here. Here we go. Break up the yellow ones. Oh, now the red are together.
And the yellow on the other side.
so confused. Oh well. Why am I making such a mess today? It's ridiculous. There's food everywhere. And obviously, if you're not doing a Whole30, if you're just keto, or even if you're not on a diet, you... Okay, I'm just going to start again. What was I going to say? Here we go. I can't get in.